T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Have ignition and liftoff of the Atlas V rocket on the Landsat Data Continuity mission, continuing the 40-year legacy of preserving Earth's natural resources from space.
To a closed loop control on Atlas PU. And we're in closed loop control. Mixture ratio is being controlled as expected. Engine continues to operate normally, seeing minor changes in the change in mixture ratio as expected. Vehicle rates look good. Engine is burning normally. And LDCM is now supersonic, coming up on max Q. And we've now passed through the region of max dynamic pressure.